The Brussels sprouts is a cool season crop and thrives best in a cool, humid climate. It grows best when exposed to an average daily temperature between 17 and 23 degrees Celsius. Sprouts improve in quality and grow best during cool or even lightly frosty weather. Brussels sprouts can be grown successfully on a wide range of soils, however, it performs best in well-drained loamy soil rich in organic matter. Sandy loams are preferred for early crops. It does well in pH range of 6 to 6.8. To determine planting time, count backwards from your first fall frost date. Direct sow seeds into the garden about 4 months before the first fall frost. Work several inches of aged manure and/or compost into soil a few days before planting or transplanting. Brussels sprouts do best in loose organic soil that retains moisture. They grow best in full sun but will tolerate partial shade. If starting outdoors, sow seeds 1/2 inch deep and 3 inches apart. Plant transplanted seedlings when they are 4 to 6 weeks old and around 6 inches tall. Space the plants 20 to 24 inches apart. Water well at time of planting or transplanting and with 1 to 1.5 inches per week thereafter.
Water the plants at the base after transplanting. Keep them well watered throughout the growing season to prevent the ground from drying out. Reduce the amount of water a couple of weeks before harvest. Allow the ground to dry between watering. Feed Brussels sprouts with a nitrogen fertilizer every few weeks. Stop fertilizing when you cut back on watering at the end of the growing season.
Add organic compost to the top of the soil around the plants regularly. This feeds the plants and provides a barrier for weeds. Brussels sprouts have a very shallow root system, so avoid disturbing the soil around them.
Removing the growing tip of the plant about a month before the harvesting date will result in greater yields as the plant will divert energy from leaf growth into developing the Brussels sprouts. The sprouts form in the leaf axils, the point between where the leaf joins the stem, and can be harvested around 3 months after planting. Harvest your Brussels sprouts slowly, starting at the bottom of the plant. The sprouts mature from the bottom up and are at their sweetest when they are still small and tightly closed. Pick the sprouts when they are 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. Pinch them off with your fingers or use a small knife to cut the buds off.